All right, brief little video. 6 months, or sorry, not 6 months, 6 weeks or so ago, I had a tree that was here and it dropped some branches after some ice and punctured my roof in 1, 2, 3 places, and it's needing repair. These are patches for an RV. If you have a leak in your RV, little rubber patch. It's the only thing I could find. So I patched it, but I've got a roofing company coming today. They're going to do the whole roof, but only this part of the roof, maybe say it's about half in terms of area. This is the part that needs to be replaced because there's 2 pieces of rubber, 1 and 2. There's the dividing line right here. There's a hole on both pieces, so both pieces need to come up. So I'm getting the whole roof redone because it's 14, 15 years old. May as well as they come out. But yeah, this is the part that it's kind of requires to be done in case my patches that weren't really designed for this don't hold. Yeah, there's the 3 parts, and there's my tree. The tree cost $400 to take down, and yeah, the whole roof is costing $6,300 plus tax. But I only need, wondering about help for just this 1/2. Perfect.